In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to activate CIBC account online. Let's get started. The very first method is by downloading CIBC mobile app. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Then launch it. Now try signing in using your client card or account details along with your password. If your account setup is complete, you'll be able to log in right away and access features like checking balances, sending money, and managing your account. According to CIBC's digital banking system, once you register properly, your account becomes fully active for both online and mobile banking access. If you haven't activated your account yet, don't worry. You can also do it during the login or registration process inside the app or through the official CIBC website. Just follow the on-screen instructions to register your card or account number, verify your identity using a one-time code sent to your phone or email address, then complete your setup. So basically, you have two main ways: either activate your CIBC account through the mobile app or by logging in and completing setup, or use the official website. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.